how beautiful this area is, man.
It's called Londobush.
Rondabush.
Oh,
Yeah, that is also nice. You know, nice suburb. You know, let's call it upper class.
Upper class.
A minus.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's another beautiful day. We are giving thanks to Almighty God. We are so much alive, and I give much thanks to God. Today I'm feeling a little bit much better compared to yesterday and the other days that I was kind of very weak and I couldn't even converse with you. Much thanks to share with you again, back online, one-on-one with you guys. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. Today is another beautiful day that I'm going to travel around here in this beautiful area of Capetown, South Africa, in the southern part of Africa. Tata Mandela, Lolihala Madiba. Here we are. Loli?
Lolin Sasa.
Lolin Klasa.
Rolling Sasa.
Loli Sala. I'm being taught here some South African words, how it is. Awesome. Yeah, so guys, please subscribe. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers, and thank you so much for 19K plus subscribers, guys. We are back in foot. We are back like never before. I thank Almighty God for this good journey, for the everything, for life, for man. Satan was almost pulling me down, but who is God, man? Doesn't come from your village. Satan, you are always defeated, man. So today, as you see, I'm in a very nice mood, and I want to be taking you around here. We want to do some little benchmarking about construction materials. How much does it cost for one to construct a house in South Africa, or how much does it cost for a material like cement or sailing boards or nails or other stuffs here in Capetown, South Africa? Or let me know in the comment section also if you want to be having that idea of coming to South Africa and start a construction. Maybe before they hijack or before they lower the price, I'm going to share with you the best prices that we are going to benchmark with my friend over here, a brother to me, a very charismatic guy. Like, man, he's very so nice actually. So from here I want to be taking you around of this thrilling, beautiful journey that is on around here. Am I even speaking? Is my mouth smelling, guys? Can you hear? Can you hear? Is my mouth smelling? Because I had this tooth that was removed, but somehow they interfered with my jaw, so it's literally paining. But I thank God I can chew with this side. I can chew, in quotes. For Kenyans, they know I can chew. Do you know what they mean by I can chew?
Chew? What does it mean?
Yeah, okay, let's do it for the comment section. Introduce yourself.
Is it some converted message inside?
Just say
there's some converted message.
I can chew.
I can chew.
You say I can chew.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so there's a converted meaning.
Actually, absolutely.
Oh, what is the meaning?
I'll tell you later. I'll tell you after the break. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Bomani Kogan. Yes. Yeah, my channel is Bomani Kogan. I'm Bomani Kogan Mkize, yes. But my channel is Bomani Kogan. Yes. So I'm with Claude Joseph here. We're just gonna do some shopping for building material, and yes, we're also gonna do this thing of comparing the building materials, and we're gonna try as much as possible to make the prices international. For sure. Compare them with Kenya and as well with Nyampo Hansen. Yeah, absolutely. And put them into US dollars as well. Yeah, we will put it in US dollars. So I'm not good in mathematics. How much is I'm not good in mathematics. Yeah, we use our calculators. We'll use Muzungu's thing. Yeah. Alright, no problem. Yeah, all work is done for us. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. So we'll just try to see what's going on around. Please subscribe to Colgan. Actually, he's on the road now to 100 subscribers. But please, guys, for the good sake that he's taking good care of your brother here, or of your son, or of your beloved friend or brother, man, please subscribe on behalf of Claude Joseph. Say Claude Joseph sent me here. Let's take him to 1,000 subscribers. He's very good and kind man. There's actually, like me, I usually be able to take people around in my place where they come, but what South Africans are doing to me over here, it's overwhelming, man. Please, let's reciprocate this love by subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I really appreciate your love and support. So here we are, Mr. Kogan. Are we ready? We're ready, let's go. But this is Ronda Bush. Tell them this is a beautiful suburb, leafy suburb.
It's called Ronda Bush.
Ronda Bush. R-O?
Ronda
Boski.
Ronda Boski.
Ronda Bush.
Ronda Bush.
Yeah, Ronda Boski. That's how you can write it.
Ronda Boski. Ronda Boski.
Yeah, but they sound it's pronounced as Ronda Bush.
Ronda Bush.
Yeah.
Ronda
so I think
Bush.
we drive slowly, then you can be able to, you know?
Yeah, to film and share with people how it goes on.
Yeah.
In our place, we have such a kind of a place called Runda.
So, but these names here, most of the names there are former colonialist names, like the heroes, these colonial heroes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So if you discover this general, is the name of a general, like Ronda Bush. But these are like Dutch, German, you know, Scandinavian names.
Oh, I understand.
That kind of names.
Yeah.
You know?
All right, guys.
Would they call Scandinavian? Yeah, Scandinavian.
So you can speak Dutch? All Afrikaans?
I can't.
Can you speak Afrikaans?
Little bit, but yeah, I can't be called.
All right, but you can read it nicely.
No, I can speak. I can hear Afrikaans, but speaking
All right. Okay, guys.
No, I can't.
Yeah. What do ladies actually do to us sometimes? You know, what that bond?
It's a motherly love. Man.
Actually, you know, there's this thing. She has been babysitting me, to be honest. Like,
yes.
Oh, Claude, have you eaten? Oh, Claude.
No, she's caring.
Very caring.
You know what she said? No, I think Claude Joseph must stay where he is now by the madam. I think it will be better there.
Oh,
Claude can stay there.
Oh, this guy is saying really hungry, fucking hungry. Oh man, it's crazy, man. It's crazy.
Yeah. How's it, dude?
Yeah. So actually the thing is, guys, please subscribe to Bomani Kogan if you're watching this for the first time. And on the other end is, as always, we are here to support each and every person around the world. Mr. Bomani Kogan, he's literally driving, but I don't want to interrupt with him with a lot of you know, looking up down because he's driving. But the good thing is, he's really taking me to beautiful places around here, and I know you'll enjoy. As always, we create beautiful, charismatic videos around here, and very, very nice. So much blessings to each and every person.
So that it cannot be behind the scenes.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Wow. It's okay.
Improvise. Okay, I forgot to fix this noise.
Oh,
this bonnet story.
Oh, it's a bonnet. It's a boot.
It's a boot.
Oh, it's a boot.
It's a boot.
Actually, guys, Mr. Bomani has improvised this, man. Please, if you are here, guys, please let's support Mr. Bomani, man. He's a very nice guy. Very, very nice. So let's move around as we see how everything is. And also, guys, please help me say thanks to Sister Rachel, or Madam Rachel. She's also a very, very nice, very, please, can you write, please? Thank you.
How come she don't want to do a YouTube channel? She's a nurse. She's doing YouTube channel.
Yeah, she's not interested in it, but she's telling me some days.
Interested.
Yeah, she told me that some days she wanna do animations.
She wanna do
animations.
What is animation?
Animations is
those animations, those cartoon stuff.
You can use a cartoon stuff.
Yeah,
but it's so nice. Look at the view. Hey, me, I wanna speak to them.
So this area, they call it Athlon. Athlon. Yes. Wow. You know what happens with Capetown?
Yes.
Area by area, there's people who are dominating.
Okay.
Groups of people who are dominating.
Okay.
You see, this area is mostly Muslim people.
Oh, you have to put your seat belt.
Oh, mostly Muslim people are staying here.
All right.
Yes. People of Islamic religion.
All right.
So, but mostly it's the Indian background.
Oh, Indian background.
Yes.
Wow.
In this area, Islamic Indian background.
Oh.
Or Arabic background.
Or we can say Arabic background now.
Yeah. But there is an area that is mostly with Indian people.
Okay. Yes. The name of this place is
Athlon.
Yeah. Wow.
This is because, you know what?
Oh, Athlon.
Because of apartheid. Apartheid is finished, but people were forced into areas according to segregation with color.
Okay.
Yes. So people cannot move now because apartheid is finished.
For sure.
You get my point?
I get your point, sir. So this is a place called Athlon. Athlon is A-T-H-L-O-N.
So all these guys you see here sitting on the side of the road.
Yes.
Yeah, they're here to give you a job.
Okay.
Yeah, call it a spot, hotspot.
Oh, a hotspot.
You're looking for a job.
Oh,
I'm looking for a job. I think you also got hotspots in your house.
Yeah, we had a place called Jobless Corner.
Yeah?
We had a place called
Mayugno in Mapopo. Mapopo. Guys, where's my Popo?
Mapopo.
Yes, Mapopo. You know Mapopo?
Yeah, Mapopo. He's a good friend actually.
Yeah, Mapopo.
Mapopo.
He just disappeared. What happened to him?
It's a long story.
Oh, there's problems?
No, there's no problems.
Oh, Nyabohatsi. It's changing.
It's really changing. It's a great thing.
People are turning against
everybody's
each other.
developing. Actually, everybody's developing on his own. So
yes,
this place
is good. Man.
Yeah, it's good. So this place mostly is it like so many kilometers or it's
no, we are. Look here. If you want to know where you are, always check on the mountain.
On the mountain.
There's Table Mountain.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. All right.
Oh, we're not far from. We are like Capetown is like so integrated.
Wow.
Yes, the way it's set up is so integrated and it's not, you don't have to travel far for anything.
For anything.
Yes.
Wow. And one thing I love about
now we are like maybe 30 k's from CBD.
From CBD. But still nobody can feel that you are far away from the CBD because now everything looks so cool and clean. One thing I love about South Africa is their roads or their other places, they are so clean to an extent that you can sit right here and eat, and you'll never feel even the dirt. You never feel even the smell from the garbage.
No, Capetown. One thing.
Yes.
The air is clean.
Very.
What you call it? The streets are clean.
But
it recently changed. It should be more clean than this, man.
Ah, for sure.
But COVID changed things.
Everything.
Yeah.
And in South Africa, actually, guys, I think it's the only country, or South Africa, in Cape Town, is a place where actually it experiences maybe 4 to 5 weather forecasts in a week.
Yes, anything. Anything.
It's called Janum Smooth standpoint.
Last night I was being bothered at home. They say because I'm busy with pull out some furniture outside. So like,
hey Mini Hawi not give me space.
Oh, Mini Hawi.
Mini Hawi, you missed me. Mini Hawi. She doesn't have data every single day.
Oh, she doesn't have data. I think I fixed data because I talked to her.
She's video calling me and she doesn't have data. Let me check. Hey guys, Mini Hawi. She misses Claude. Hey, actually, it's a very nice bond. Look at the beautiful area of this other side, and literally this is how it looks like. Very green, very amazingly. And each and every single day we tend to travel in different places. Like now we traveled far away from far away from the other side. Now we are going to from Athron.
Yeah, there's an industrial area.
There's also some industrial area over here.
This is like light industrial area.
Oh, okay.
Light industry.
Light industry.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Light industry.
So we are in here, Millennium Hardware.
Yeah, we're going to this hardware. There's a lot of places there, ceilings. There's a lot of things.
Alright.
Yeah, but because I want to buy some ceiling material.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, guys, let's try and see.
There's also like people specializing in plumbing stuff.
You can just have a
plum
crazy factory.
Yeah, they specialize in
Hey, Mini Hawi, you are on camera, Mini Hawi. People are shocked, like, what's up, que paso?
Hi, boss, how are you?
You good?
I'm good, how are you?
Oh, I'm very, very nice. And you wanna say hi? You wanna say hi to Mr. Kogan?
Yeah, but
Hi, Mina, how are you? Oh, wow. You're resting, man?
Yeah. So, guys, we bought some grapes here.
Yeah, some grapes.
Yeah, actually. If I just forgot, I could have carried them. We had them a lot.
Is it at the house?
Yeah.
At the house there by Madam?
Madam Rachel bought a lot, a whole box.
A whole box there in the market?
Yeah.
In the market?
Yes. But I love this black. It's so
black,
sweet.
yeah.
Yeah, it's very, very sweet. and we bought them as 20. And this is South African money. Actually, their money is on rands. Like this is 10 rands. This is 20.
10 Madibas.
10 Madibas, and this is 20 Madibas.
Yeah,
also.
this is got Mandela's picture.
You have Mandela's picture here. So it's 20 rands. This is how it looks like. And this 20 rand is 160 Kenyan shillings. This 20 rand.
Almost $1.
Yeah, it's almost $1 actually. And this 10 rand, it's 80 Kenyan shillings.
$1.10.
Yeah. So the conversion, that's how it is, guys. So let's head and we can see what's going on around. Yeah. Hey, the street boy is very happy.
Yeah,
he's very happy.
Money.
Yeah, he has made money. But now I know how this is how you see, guys. If you saw the other video we did in the market, they buy in bulk, and then they come, they break the bulk and sell them into retail this way, the way you see. Smaller ones like this. Yeah. Wow.
You can try?
Me, I'm already.
Okay.
Black one are very sweet.
So what's gonna happen? We're gonna go to my house. We're gonna go next door. Yeah, you can buy, but
yeah. I'll buy what? Guys, that is a Table Mountain on top there. It's very nice, very good. It's a free me taking you around, guys, traveling with you. I love traveling with you guys. I'm not that selfish. Like when I travel, I just say no, it's pictures for me. No, I have to share with you. And that's how you see. Rahina's cascades.
Islam,
yeah. It's a cooking. Actually, not only Capetown but South Africa is a hot pot or a hot point where every culture from different it's a diversity of different cultures from different places of the world. Asians are here. If you go from the Middle East, they are here. If you come from what we call like I should fix this for you. If you are from Europe, Western culture, it's here. The African culture, it's here. So that's one thing I love about South Africa itself. So it brought every person around, and it's a mother of unity, I can say so. Now you're in multiculture. Let's move. I'll just fix this. M5.
Yeah, Muizenberg 5.
So when you say M5 is
Muizenberg Road 5.
Muizenberg.
This road from here, if you follow it straight to reach until Muizenberg.
Okay.
Yeah. Muizenberg is near Sendwave town. It's the where they put the naval base in South Africa. Yes. If we get an opportunity, we'll go there to Sendwave town. It's the end side. It's another end side of Africa. Like almost at the bottom. It's not the most bottom, but one of the bottom part of South Africa. Yeah, it's not the most bottom.
But almost the end point.
Almost. It's one of the coastal towns.
Wow.
Yes. So they've got the naval base there. That's where South Africa's Navy operates
from there.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing.
Actually, it's a naval town. Its sole purpose is to service the Navy. Naval town. Hardly any choices go there. Yeah, so it's mostly people working in the Navy. Soldiers.
The Navy, yeah.
Soldiers and stuff like that. Sailors.
The Navy sailors. You know, when you talk about Navy, is the soldiers who operate mostly in water bodies.
Yes.
And when we say about for those who operate on the sky, I'll call
it's the Air Force.
Air Force.
Yeah, it's the Air Force.
On Marine Air Force. Oh man, we have Marine.
Yeah,
Marine. Like Marine, those are the same as.
in America, they use Marine. The word Marine.
Yeah.
they use they see, because America they got those big ships. You see those ships?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where you go land, you got soldiers who stay in that ship.
Wow.
Like they can stay for a whole year.
Yeah, because everything is.
Yeah, they stay. They move from country to country.
Wow.
Like along the. You know, America patrols the whole world.
For sure.
All the waters in the world, like they dominating.
For sure.
So they put those marine guys who stay there.
In the ships.
Yeah, they call you a marine.
A marine.
But actually, you're just a soldier.
Marine soldiers.
They call you a marine because you stay on the ship.
Yeah, I saw that. I thought it was Christmas list. A big shout out to you.
Oh, Christmas list.
Yeah, I saw that card. I was like, hey, what has Christmas list come to South Africa?
Oh, the guy looks like him. No?
Yeah,
but
even the
Christmas
cape.
list is white?
Yeah, he's a Canadian.
Huh?
Yes.
Canadian, yeah.
Yes, very nice guy. No, with no contempt actually.
I remember him and
He's just like comfortable with everything.
everything. Eh?
Whether you sleep down, you sleep. Whether you eat, you eat.
What's so amazing about Christmas list is he always keep his bag on him.
And also,
that amazed me.
And
that,
also, he's very fearless, like, you know.
He's a fearless guy. He says he once did martial arts and stuff like that.
He's very
He
great.
says he did judo, martial arts, karate.
Yeah.
So,
Very
but the most amazing thing about him, like, not like
He's
unique,
just humble.
he keeps his bag on him.
Yeah, very
That
humble.
big bag.
Very humble.
During the party, he's walking up and down the house with the bag on him.
There was a video they did with a cover and the motorbike falling.
They fell on the motorbike.
Yeah, no,
Check this guy. This is a big investment from Amazon.
Oh, this guy.
Amazon, yeah.
Oh, so that's the branch for Amazon?
Yeah, it's gonna be the head office. I don't know, is Amazon Africa or what?
Maybe
but,
it might be Amazon Africa.
Yeah, you see, they took up this whole land in all that.
Okay, so
almost
that's
1,000 people are gonna be employed here.
and they're building their own
their
roads.
own bridge, their own this property stretches to the other side.
Wow.
Yes.
Hey, these companies billionaires.
Yeah, they got money. But at some point in time, they were disturbed from doing this for construction because people challenged the land issue. You know, in South Africa, the land issue is still a hot stone.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So, like, you remember I explained to you?
Yes.
The original people here were the Khoisans,
Yeah.
which are called the bush people.
The bush people, yeah.
So, when this Amazon did this, the Khoisans had what you call it, a pending case on that land.
Oh,
Which is a golf course.
wow. In this middle area.
That it used to be a golf course
Wow.
before Amazon came to develop it. So when Amazon got permission to develop it, the Bushman Society took them to court because they are having a court case over that land.
Wow, wow.
Yes, so they were stopped from building for years. It should have been finished actually.
Wow. Hey, Bushman.
So I see they continue with the construction. That means the case issue is sorted out.
It's sorted out.
Yeah. Someone is happy somewhere. Someone could pay.
Somebody got paid well.
Yeah, the only way people can get happy is you pay them.
And smiling, very nice.
Someone is heading for Dubai.
Hey, Mr.
Someone is heading for Dubai.
Mr. Iceman.
So we're heading for my place. They call it Brooklyn. So
Brooklyn.
yeah, this is a big junction. This one.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a big junction. So it's a lot of roads here going this way and that way. So we are here. This guy is talking. He might bump us. So we're just gonna check what's up there by my place, then continue our journey. I think we'll watch this grapes. We'll find something to eat.
Yeah.
I get something sweet for you. Yes. Oh, you got a
I got a toothache.
toothache.
So,
Damn. What happened?
and the
to
problem
it
is I don't take sugary things now.
now I see.
No cakes.
I was having cake for you. Hey, I already forgot.
So now if I come to your house and I eat a cake, after eating,
I already forgot that.
tell me, Claude, you say you never eat a cake.
Is the issue of the
Cake.
of the tooth.
But I'll eat and don't tell anybody that I ate cake.
When you get sick, that thing will kill you.
Yeah, guys. Oh, guys, hope you see. This is a train, an old train area. It's like an analog one, right? The train.
That is the old train. But there's a place where they fixed.
Do they still work?
They work. Just they park there for fixing or something.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Oh, they're like dangling stuff. No, I'm not going to make a quick turn.
Wow.
No, I'll buy a cable in town.
Maybe.
No.
There's a quick traffic jam of us here. But in Anishet, guys, there's one of the beautiful things that reminds me the trains. And some days we want to make a crazy travel, guys. When we say crazy travel is we want to travel. Sorry guys. We want to travel from we want to literally travel from Capetown to Johannesburg by train. That will be one of the most craziest journey ever. We will sleep 3 days or 3 nights in a train. So let me know in the comment section if it's really worth it for that. What do you think about it? If it's worth it, please comment down below in the comment section. We want to take such wagons like this. Still indicating. Traffic. Traffic here. She's a lady.
Police lady. Pretty one.
Pretty traffic police. A pretty traffic police. She arrests you, you tell her, take me to jail, madam. Take me. No compromise.
Take me as I am.
Take me
as I am.
Yeah. I'm all yours. Take me. I'm all yours, madam. Let's go. Hey, take me as I am. Hey. Police, madam police. That's Table Mountain from there. Table Mountain. I was once up there. It's one of the greatest area actually, and you feel the breeze. The wind there can just shake you, uproot you from the ground and throw you very far away up there if you're not careful. If you don't eat strong, like me when I was there, I was actually putting some little stones in my pocket to stabilize my body. Hey, because it was very windy. Hey, in Capetown, Table Mountain. This is not a joke, man. It's not a joke. Volkswagen. The guy behind you is like, who is this guy riding this car? There's also another traffic officer over here. Let's see if she's a madam. She's a madam. Why is it that traffic officers are madam here?
Maybe they're promoting.
Alright. Alright, guys. We're traveling this area.
South Africa with women's rights.
Oh, South Africans have a higher rate of women's rights right now. Oh, amazing. With us is gender equality.
Oh, you must eat because me, I'm a grinder.
You're a grinder.
I'm a grinder.
You might eat until I found myself that you're finished.
I just find out, it's finished and I'm checking it.
Guys, let me know in the comments what do you think about this terrain and environment. Very nice and great. I love it, man. I love it. The nearer I go, the beautiful it comes here at the Table Mountain. As they usually say, the older I get, few friends I have, and the older I get, I tend to know more people. That's Jackson, Alan Jackson.
Who?
Alan Jackson.
What does he say?
He sings the older I get, few friends I have.
Oh.
Yeah. And the souvenirs are part of life I lived.
Souvenirs for company.
There are souvenirs that he collected are signs of life, of good life he lived.
Oh, signs of good life he lived.
Yeah. The souvenirs. But with us in an African way, the older you get, the more friends you have. But in the Western area, Western life is the older you get, few friends
When
you have.
you're young, you got nothing.
Yeah, when you're young, you got nothing. So there's no more friends. But because in African mind, it's like the older you get now is the more friends you have, because you're now ending up to retirement and you're gonna enjoy the money.
Yes, you are stable now.
But in Western, the more older you get, the more abandoned you are. You have few friends. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Is it okay, or it's Alan Jackson's singing his own things? Look at this motorbike. I love motorbikes, man.
Yeah, I like this one. This is a ninja bike.
If I take that to Nyabohansi, I'll be cruising from Nyabohansi to South Africa in one day.
Oh, this is where the problem is. I wonder if we must continue to take. Okay, let's go.
Just enjoying this view, guys. Today the weather is calm, little bit windy, but not that much windy. But it's favoring, actually, very much favoring, and very, very great. Taking you around here and there. You know,
one phenomenon is happening in Capetown. One Tanzanian guys staying under the bridge.
Oh,
a lot of them.
Alright. Okay. Okay, no problem. Well, I'm with Mr. Claude. Bomani Koga. Okay. That was Malala, guys. Now we are in town. Came from the other side of town and this other hand. Now I'm sharing with you some beautiful architecture around here in South Africa, Cape Town. As always, your village boy is capable of showing you this when he's alive, because this is the best time to share with you how things are around. And yeah, so enjoy the view. Wow. And here's where my good friends are. It's where my good friends are. Don't worry. Sometimes life wanna change. Let's pray for them.
See the black guys?
Yeah.
Those black guys.
They even have headphones, good stuff.
See black guys, I told you about, that's them. Sorry, man. So guys, yeah, alright. So I'm in downtown street of Cape Town. Let me try to see where I can buy water, and let's see. Buy this Hogu burger. Very nice. So I'll be okay. Alright, man. Thank you. I got my change of 8 rands. So this goes up 12 rands. So I wanna drink and I wanna see what's going on around. Let's continue with our journey. This time round is to drink water every single minute. Every single minute, water. Yeah. This is a little bit downtown of Cape Town. And when I was coming to South Africa, this was the very first time area I just marked. Yeah?
Coming from the airport this way, coming this way.
Oh,
I'm like, yeah. I'm like, hey, this is it.
There's meaning.
This was the first thing I saw, the Castle Street.
The Castle Street is this small building.
On this I've been here.
So we're in Adel Street now.
Oh wow. Adelaide Street. Right.
This is where you bought your flowers during your wedding.
The wedding.
In the wedding celebration.
Right here. I used to walk around here. I used to walk, just walking up and
So we're
down.
gonna look for parking. So
Yeah.
we go up. Oh, we drive in there or what? I don't know. We don't park on the phone, parking. Park on the proper parking.
Early street for you guys.
But there's not cops, no? Parking. This is cops today.
They're
Holiday.
they're working hard on the street kids now. Street boys, searching them. They're there. Alright. So we just arrived in town. And I'm with Mr. Bomani Kogan. Mr. Bomani!
Yeah.
Is everything fine?
Yeah, it's fine. Now we're walking to Malala's place, man.
Yes.
Malala's. Okay.
Wanna go
Ask
see
him.
man?
He said which building?
Let me
Say,
see.
What's the name of the building?
Yeah.
You've never been there yourself, no?
Yeah, I've never been there by myself. Let me see. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, so guys, I was once
The
here.
locations.
They said a lot of African stuffs, and on this other end is American movies. Most of American movies, I was told, they're being shot in South Africa, like the way you see in Cape Town. Like you see, most of American movies are being shot around here. I don't know, maybe it's because of the serene environment,
It's cheaper for them to shoot than here.
or because also the buildings here are more of Americans.
You can see it's also cheaper. It's about money. It's about the environment also. You can see it's like
Yeah.
Europe also.
Yeah.
But also they can manipulate. It's easy to manipulate to
Yes.
change into a French city.
Yeah,
change
yeah.
into American city.
Yeah.
Change the scenery into whatever scenery they want.
For
You know?
sure. Very easy, very easy.
Yeah, very easy.
Very
But
easy.
it's cheaper for them also. There are a lot of companies in South Africa which
You forgot one here, sister. It's here.
hire out the rig.
Yeah, yeah,
Which hire out the rig
yeah.
for shooting.
Yeah.
Like when you say rig, things like this. Like this gentleman you see is working in the film industry.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Business for him. But he's a local.
Yeah, very,
Maybe the movie they're shooting is from overseas.
for sure.
Yeah, maybe he's busy with this. He's busy with all the equipment.
All the everything, yeah. Wow. So
It's another industry for Cape Town.
maybe we can walk a little bit of these sides, and you just get us. Malala is very iconic. He's very iconic to identify. So
Very,
he said us next to Wimpy, and this is Wimpy.
yeah, I think
So-
he's in this building.
Yeah, so let him calm down. But I love the fact that how cool this area is.
Yeah.
Being within the city, and how cool and clean it is. Literally, it's very, very beautiful, guys. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this.
Let's wait.
And let's wait
I think he's gonna come out through here.
from this point, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's wait for Malala, guys, and we see how everything is around. Very great. Thank God I got a free seat here. I'm not a smoker, but I got a free seat, man. A lot of cigars. I think Cape Town is one of the most one of the greatest area where people smoke a lot, because it's very, very, very cold. So people tend to smoke here much. He's there. People tend to smoke here much rather compared to other people around here. So this is how it looks like. All these are made from hide and skin from animals. It's cool environment. Guys, I'm here. I'm in Cape Town, one of the greatest areas, and I told you I want to meet Mr. Malala. Here Mr. Malala is. Mr. Malala, the Rastafari.
Yeah, what's up, guys? Yes,
Hey, this
yes,
reminds
yes,
me
yes.
of Jamaica.
Jamaica. This one looks like that one for Uncle Mo.
For Uncle, but is this real hair, man? Your
Yes,
real
this
hair.
is real hair.
How
Let me show you
how
one.
long is your Rasta,
This
man?
one is like more than
I wanna be a Rasta,
almost
man.
a meter.
I wanna-
almost a meter. You can see how it's coming out.
I
slowly.
wanna be a
This is
Rasta,
one.
man. And one day I wanna dream to be a Rasta,
Yeah, this
man.
is
Cut for me
one.
small.
Oh, there you go.
What?
So this is it. Guys. So this is the
To the west, man.
Yeah. So
How do you fix this until it gets that big?
This is 12 years old, so you can imagine. So it's growing and then.
How many years old?
12.
From that time I used to see you.
Yes.
What?
So that is it.
Hey, Mr.
Yeah,
Varala,
I think you were the small
You are
guy
a-
at that time.
you are a real
It was a little
Jamaican.
short because
You were like, almost like a...
Jamaica, I'm coming
You
there.
really dreaming of going to Jamaica
Yes,
some
I'm
days?
dreaming of coming to Jamaica and
Yes.
I'm going to see a few friends of mine down there.
Yes.
One of them is my best friend, Jamaica Walk By.
Oh, man.
Big up yourself down there in Jamaica and
Yes.
keep on doing what you're doing. And
Yes.
congratulations for 100,000 subscribers.
Wow, man.
You got the button and you're going for more.
Wow.
Road to 500,000, Jamaica Walk By. Also,
Bro, you
I
look
big
Jamaican.
up I big up Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah, Kino Life.
And, yeah,
Very
Kino Life
nice.
in Jamaica, and also big up Drizzy Bag and and the rest of the crew. Also one big artist called One Acoustic. Yeah, all of
Very
them.
good band.
When I get there, yes,
When
and
did you give a
also
guitar? Yes.
one of my favorite artists, Richie Spice.
Richie
Yes,
Spice.
that is
Hey,
my
man.
favorite artist, Richie Spice.
It used to remind
One
me
love.
of this song that you should remind me every single day.
Which one? There's a lot of them.
There's a lot of them, but I remember it. I tell you.
Which one? Brown skin?
No, there's this one used to wake me every single night. It used to be my ringtone. Thank you for the good work, brother.
Yeah,
and
man,
actually,
so-
he's making me this
All right,
kind
so
of fabric. And I have
Let's
these
take
songs
the
of this.
measurement and then.
Hey, the band. Rastafari, Rastafari.
Yeah, Jamaican
Jamaican
vibes. We are
vibe.
there.
Welcome me in Capetown. That might be the title of this video. Dreaming to travel to Jamaica soon.
You broke your record.
This is the guy who recorded me crying. You have to pay me crying.
You broke your own record.
This guy made me cry, guys.
How is the one who shared it?
Yeah.
How shared it?
Oh,
He wants to make he makes me cry. He
And
was
also,
like, sorry, brother.
A big thank you to Min Howie
Yes.
for sharing my video, and
Yes.
yeah, it has really done well and
Yes.
it's still doing well. And
Yeah.
also thank you for all the subscribers that came from Claude Joseph
Absolutely.
and also came from Min Howie.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Welcome, and I'm promising you more exciting videos. very
Man,
soon.
did you apply the onions on my eyes? Because you're not interviewed me and
That was not honest. That was chili from Min Howie.
man, and the tears just flew like rain. Hey. Alright, guys, just wait and see what's going on around. Then we wanna have a chit chat with my fellow Kenyan. I can now call him my fellow Jamaican. 12 years old. Hair, man. Hey, great. Guys, what do you think about this fabric, man? It's so nice.
This
I
is
love
master.
this. I love this, man. It's very great. And actually, I have clothes that match with this. You're so thoughtful, bro.
Yeah.
Let's wait and see what will come
How
out.
it's gonna come out?
Yeah, yeah,
Probably before the week, before like I think before Sunday.
Yeah.
Then we can see how it's gonna come out.
Wow, man.
Yeah.
Big up, man. What's up? Wagwan.
Also has a YouTube channel.
Oh,
Maybe she can tell you
Maimuna.
about the channel. Yeah.
Maimuna. Oh, Maimuna. Hey, Maimuna.
Are you doing shorts?
Hey. Maimuna. Hey.
yes, so I saw you on shorts. That's why, Mas. You're familiar. Yes, man.
Maimuna have a
I know you
beautiful
from
smile,
YouTube.
guys.
I thought she can tell you where she comes from.
No, I
Maimuna.
thought she's from Brooklyn. No, I know you
Hi
from
guys,
YouTube.
I'm from Guinea Conakry. Guinea Conakry in West Africa,
Oh, yeah.
next to Ghana.
Next to Ghana.
Yeah.
No wonder how you tied your head and I was like, huh? Come on,
African girl.
African
know her
girl.
from
Typical.
I
Typical.
thought I know her.
Maimuna. You know Maimuna is a Tanzanian name.
Oh,
Why is it Maimuna? Tell us a story, please.
it's a beautiful name.
It's a beautiful name, but Maimuna is from in Tanzania. Eh.
Maimuna is just a Muslim name, so that's what I know.
I think also Tanzania there's
A lot of
Muslims, that's
influence
why,
of
yeah.
Muslims. Exactly. So Maimuna, give yourself a shout out here, Maimuna.
Tell people to go and subscribe to your channel.
Also tell all West Africans people to come here in maybe in your language or English first, but then in your language. So that they can subscribe. Yes.
Okay, please, guys,
Yeah.
go to my channel and subscribe, like, and share. I will really appreciate that.
Your channel name is
Maimuna
Maimuna.
Cover.
Maimuna?
Nice one. Maimuna Kaba, yeah.
Maimuna Kaba.
Yeah.
Oh man, Maimuna
She's got
Kaba.
one video there, and I encourage her also to continue uploading more videos and also showing what she's doing. You can see how she's making very beautiful
attires.
Very good. These are
I'm
dresses.
making a jumpsuit.
Maybe she can show you how it looks like.
How does this look like, Maimuna?
So this is a jumpsuit. Like.
Wow. Wow. Let me see the jumpsuit. Oh, you want to dress this? Oh no, she's naked. Let me close my eyes. Ah, yeah. And they're putting her upside down. Oh my god. Hey, Maimuna. Maimuna, the ladies will come for you. You are putting them upside down.
So you must make one from scratch on YouTube and dress it up like this.
Wow, let's see.
Jeez, look at that.
Ladies. Oh, she has hit you the somersault.
Ah, look how beautiful she looks, man.
Wow.
Look at that.
Let me dress this ladies.
Oh! You don't get this in the shop, man.
Sorry.
I don't think you get this in the shop.
But now how this being made,
I've not
man.
seen anyone putting on this. Like this in the
Very
shop.
nice.
That is what she does nicely.
Oh, so from behind, no
It's so
buttons. It's rope.
Ah, did you record this from cutting to what in dressing up like
No,
this?
you have to do
should,
this
You have
now.
to do that.
Every single day of your life, if you're doing this.
You have to, especially
You have-
this beautiful
Let me
stuff.
see how she ties it. So there's no any idea of maybe putting on buttons. It's
How
ropes.
much is this?
No, you just put the
rope?
Yeah.
Wow.
For summer.
What a great idea. Maimuna.
And you
Yes.
just
Hey, ladies, if you're watching this,
big designer.
Maimuna, she's a very nice designer.
Where did
Do you
you
have
learn?
an Instagram page? Maybe people can have shop for you, and maybe you can be doing some shipping with Mr.
Yes.
With Mr. good friend Malala here, Levis. Do you have an Instagram?
I do.
Yes.
It's Maimuna.
Maimuna. Maimuna Kaba.
That's it.
Not Maimuna underscore Kaba. Maimuna Kaba.
Yeah, Maimuna Kaba.
Hey guys, look how she has dressed now. This lady. You can even spank.
Please,
Tell-
hands off.
You are tempted. You are tempted to.
Hands off, my lady.
And now you'll be jailed forever if you just do this. Hey, all right, guys. This is my.
Maimuna, she does a good job.
Yeah, and also we're having Mr. Malala here.
Yeah, also I can show you a little
Yeah,
bit
show
more
us.
of the clothes
Yes.
which we have made.
You make
Yes.
one.
Yeah, like these ones, these are orders which are ready for delivery.
Oh man.
Yeah, so you can see these are tracksuits.
Wow.
I
Let
don't
me
know
check
if to
out.
show you the white one or the black one. So you
Any,
can
it'd
see.
be great.
Yeah, so these are pants.
Can you make
You can
one that's
see
like a dress?
Wow.
These ones we made from scratch.
From scratch.
You can see it's for this company. So if you check this label on Instagram, you will be able to see it, and then you can see what I've made for them.
All right.
Yeah. So and then these hoodies.
Mhm.
These are also hoodies over here.
You also do what we call like
Printing.
Yeah.
No. After we do the sewing, then I send them. We send them for printing.
for printing.
Yeah, but we don't do printing here.
Wow, man.
So this is how it looks like. This is the back, how it has been printed. and
Contagious
it's,
too.
Yeah.
man.
So if you check this label on Instagram, you will see it.
Yeah.
There's also other different small labels that we've worked with, and yeah. So maybe anybody who wants to know can just come there to my channel and then ask me which kind of the labels. Then you
Yeah.
check them on Instagram.
Actually, this video was being actually done for construction materials, but now we fixed it on this way. But now, no worry, guys. Maybe we'll do some construction materials later on. But now it's coming sweet for me to talk one-on-one with Malala, and maybe you can also support him by buying his stuffs or maybe making some orders with Mr. Malala and also Maimuna.
Once the channel has grown up, I'll be posting also the products that I'm making,
Yes.
and then we can see how to ship it all around the world.
So let me ask you this. Not in the diagram, maybe I'm intruding your privacy. How much a day can you make a day? Like a day?
Like to make money
Like
wise.
an end, yeah, money wise? A day?
It normally depends on the pieces, because I charge the customers according to how many pieces.
All right.
Yeah. So like if I make, let's say I make a pants like this.
Yes.
If the customer has to bring their own fabric, and then I will make this one for like 30 rand.
30 rand.
Yeah, this is 30 rand.
Wow, 30
This I
rand.
only charge for
So
lace.
guys, you can convert that into Kenyan shillings. That is okay. It can come to Please, not in Kenya shillings, but in dollars.
Yes.
Let us know what that rand means in $30.
Yeah, that can be like $1.50. Yeah, $1.50. So like if it's like this, then it's like $3. You see, $3.
Oh, yeah,
so when I make this, I make this one for a customer. I charge labor $3. So when I charge this $3, then in a day maybe I can make 30 pieces or 20 pieces, depending on the energy. That's why sometimes I always work night shift. If you see some of my videos.
Oh, yeah. So in a day you can make this. How many pieces of this on your most up day where you're just fresh?
On my crazy day, I can make 50 pieces.
50 pieces. Wow.
Yeah. So 50 pieces you multiply by 3. It's a good income. It's a good income to survive.
Yeah. There's this
and then
one.
we keep moving. We keep going.
There's this one and good. Of today I woke up nice, tomorrow not woke up nice. Everybody have his ups and downs.
Yes.
So what are kind of your challenges on this kind of job?
The challenges is that this kind of job, it needs you to not have stress. You mustn't have stress, because when you stress, you cannot work, you cannot concentrate.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So what you do, you just have to be like a pure
Open
mind and insane. I mean, sane. You have to have a sane mind, not insane, sane.
Sane
And
mind.
you can always have to work, and also make sure you eat properly, because this is a job that uses energy.
Energy, and high
And
concentration.
Then, and high concentration. That's why you can see we don't have like TV or anything inside.
Oh, yeah, to disturb.
And also when you check outside, you only see further down. You see, that's why it's like in the 10th floor.
Absolutely.
So it's more comfortable for us to work. And also, I work also, sometimes I work at night, sometimes during the day, according to the amount of work that I have.
All right. You'll bear with me with my a lot of questions because I'm
No
trying
problem,
to do an
just
interview.
bring it on. Maybe there's someone who can get it.
Yeah, I know. You came here maybe 20 or 10 years ago, right? Why did you choose to do tailoring? Was it something that was a passion, or was something that you learned, you went to school for? Yes.
Yeah, so I came here exactly like now it's exactly 12 years ago. That was in 2011 November.
Yes.
Yeah, so when I came here, I had already studied how to do the sewing.
Yes.
So when I came from my country, Kenya, I was doing a sewing for denim.
Yeah.
I was basically doing denim. Then I expanded and started doing African clothes. And then when I got here, I was doing like all around, all types of clothes.
Yeah.
But now I decided that I want to like majorly specialize on summer and winter clothes.
Yeah.
So when it's winter, I do mostly tracksuits. And then when it's summer, I just do like maybe t-shirts or denims or shorts or African clothing.
Oh,
so
yeah.
that's how I balance the work.
Wow.
Yeah.
In 5 or 3 years to come, do you see yourself like maybe having a mind of opening up companies in different places?
Yes, in 3 to 5 years to come, I'm planning to open an online teaching school.
Yes.
So online teaching school where I'll be illustrating and showing people also how to do the sewing, how to make different types of clothes, and also getting consultations about different types of clothes and machines and everything.
Maybe I should tell you this. Maybe I have an appointment with a doctor. Maybe in a half an hour, I'll come back to continue with this interview.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, so guys, please stay back, relax, and we are continuing. We are coming back after the break. All right,
there you go.
All right. Let's go up for an appointment. Just like to check what's happening, and then we wanna end. Hope he's not going to charge me, or because I was treated here. Here was the space where I removed my tooth. So I don't think he's just charged me money. Yeah. Let's go there. Let's go see. This is very sad. So I found the doctor is not around. He has not yet arrived. So I wanna go back to continue this interview with Mr. Malala. Then we want to end the video from there, because now the dentist is not around. He will usually be here. I think he has gone to church, because today is a Friday and he seems to be, so says closed, open at 2 o'clock. So I'm sorry I'm making you move.
No, I'm thinking.
Yeah, but
You know how to go to Malala?
Yeah, we can go to Malala and finish.
No, I want to do something.
Yes.
You go to Malala 2 o'clock, me I'm back.
Okay.
So
So
go to the bank here.
okay.
Then 2 o'clock I'm back here.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. Let me head to Malala and we wanna see. On the other side. It's on the other end of the side. Very nice. I got lost. I had to walk one block. I had to walk one block from this side to Wimpy. Just close by on the other side. Finish this interview with Mr. Malala. Then I can see what to do on the other side. So let's cross by on this other end. We are in St. George Mall, the Church Street over here. So there's this one famous house by the name Doberman. Is it Doberman or Doberwart? Let me check it. Dumbarton. Alright, the guy got lost. Dumbarton. Here we are. Let's go. Dumbarton. Okay, let's go. Dumbarton. Alright. So guys, I'm literally back in this place. I've been just getting lost, come back, getting lost. Almost like 10 minutes, but it's okay. I'm finally here. So we're gonna be ending this interview with Mr. Malala over here. Yeah, some last shout outs for the people who maybe are maybe there are those who like I knew I have this skill. You know, there are those people who have like I have this skill of doing this, but I don't have what I can do, because they think like there's this thing we call like maybe they can be employed for them to get this. So maybe you can just give an advice to them, you as you. Yes.
For me, what I can say about sewing, sewing is like a physical skill, and when you have a physical skill, it's easy and it's also a good way of survival, because you can work in any part of the world.
Yes.
And you always, like, anywhere you go, once you look for the job and then there is an opportunity, you are able to start straight away.
Absolutely.
There is nothing like, oh, you will go for training or what. As long as you know the job and you have the skill, when the opportunity arises, you are always ready to go. So what I can say is that if you are an upcoming designer, and also
Someone who have been having a skill and like this,
if you have a skill like this and you have never tried to know that it can take you this far, like all the way from By the way, let me just give you a small story about how I managed
to become
to get my transport to South Africa. So when I was working as a tailor in Kenya, I got a contract from the Southern Sudan ambassador. You understand? So I got a contract from a Southern Sudan ambassador. She was actually opening a business in Sudan for selling denims, and you know, like the pants,
denim jeans.
Denim jeans.
Wow.
So denim jeans.
I can't be surprised why you love denim jeans.
People from Sudan are very tall, so we had to like make special sizes for them, and that's how she wanted to invest in the business. So I had to make for her like tailor-made denim pants, which are very long. So like the longest I made was like 60 inches.
60 inches.
You know, 60 inches is like
me putting on twice.
Yeah, your height twice. So that is like for a very tall person. So I made that. It was a big job. So as soon as I was done, I just collected the money, and then I said, okay, well, so since my uncle is in South Africa, so I can also go there and see if I can manage to succeed in the business. So when I got that's how I collected the money. got into the road up to here.
Do you see it as a success, or is something which is still under the process to become a success?
Well, I can say it is a success,
Yes.
but you know, each and every day we keep on building.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you can never say that you are already there. So each and every day there is always new designs coming, new technologies, new different types of machines.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so it's always like
You need to go with fashion.
Yeah, you grow as you learn as you grow.
Yeah.
So that's how it's always happening.
Have you ever experienced this crazy hash of a customer who maybe
Yes.
just
Yes.
gave you something on date and you never
Yes.
attained?
Okay. It used to happen to me like during those days when I couldn't like give the right timing of an appointment.
Yes.
But since I learned how to like arrange my job and
Yes.
also plan myself nicely and also communicate with the clients,
Yes.
I don't get that much of a brush off. And also when a brush off occurs, I know how to deal with it. Yeah, you always have to calm down. Once you know you are wrong, you just have to accept that you're wrong.
Yeah.
And you get into an agreement and things just
Things
go well.
go on well.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I was so much happy to meet Mr. Malala. I was also with Mr. Kogan, Bomani Kogan. Please subscribe to his YouTube channel. And also we are with
Maimuna.
Maimuna. Maimuna, I knew very well she was a name from Tanzania. And they usually give the name to male, yeah. But Maimuna. But I'm surprised she's Maimuna. But also subscribe to her channel called Maimuna Kuba.
Maimuna Kab. There she is. You can just
Maimuna Kab. Maimuna Kab. All right, let me speak to her. Thank you so much, brother, for your time. Be blessed, man. Wish you all the way best on your work.
In South Africa, we say away to mean peace.
Away.
Or
Away.
sharp.
Okay, man. Thank you. Yeah. So, Maimuna, I thought you finished, but now you dressed this lady very well, man. Hey.
Nice one.
It's all size.
Yeah, we have all the size. We have a medium, small, and large. We also have the extra large that people like
Biggie. Heavy. Biggie. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, so we also have the extra large.
All right. I'm wishing. Do you have experienced any challenge in your work? I know every work has challenges, but you, as you, do you experience challenge?
Yeah, sometimes, but never give up.
I love the spirit. Never give up. That's one of the greatest things. All right, Madam Maimuna. Maybe a last shout out for you. Yeah, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Maimuna Kaba. All right, guys, be blessed always. And having our brother there is very busy. So sharp. All right, man. Thank you so much. Be blessed, and everything will be so amazing. Thank you. It was a nice time having with you guys.
Yeah, and you just while you're still here, this is my cousin. His name is Robert. So he
Robert,
ni
Mswahili.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, vipi? Uko poa? Oh man, I'm so much happy, man, to meet you. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, so I'm in your place right here now, in your working space. You're surprised, like, who's this guy? My name is Claude. Yeah, I'm a good friend of Malala.
I've seen you.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much. All right, man. Bye, guys. Yeah. Literally came for checkup for my tooth. I wanna check up how my tooth is doing because I'm feeling very trivial for the pain. So let's see. Hopefully I won't cry. The day was morning here like a slaughtered cow. But they want to check on this tooth because they extracted my tooth here and it's still paining, which is evolving to headache pain, and they want to tell me whether what's going on around the cancer. Okay. The doctor came and he just checked. I'm going to put a great antibiotic here, and yeah, he said I want to check and see. So I got a recommendation from the doctor from here, the dentist, and he gave me this. I want to go buy this over here. let me go by, and he told me if it wanna persist, I come here on Tuesday. You wanna deal with it thoroughly by an X-ray. So let's end this video here by saying thank you so much. Be blessed always. Let me go see if my account will just allow me to buy this. If not, then it's okay. I'll come on Tuesday and check what's going on right now. Thank you so much, guys. Be blessed always. You are the best of the best of the best, man. We love you. Let me go to the chemist and I can buy this med. Thank you. So I came here and I bought this medicine at 260 rands as I was recommended. It's called sugar free, so I have to go and we'll check this for around 5 days. It's 1000 milligrams and we wanna check what's going on around. So 260 rands, it's not cheap, man. To a guy like Claude, it's not cheap, but it's okay. Let's head back. I want to see what's going on around. All right, see you guys. Thank you.